Hello everybody, here's another Rapido Mystery Box. It's year 2, 2024, and we're gonna give it an open. So I just got this today, so see how this goes. Now last year when I did this, it was quite a lot of fun, so this year this unboxing is going to be, well, hopefully good. Now, I really should get a tripod for it. Alright, what do we got? Okay. First time, huh? Okay, that's the paperwork. So far we've gotten, oh yeah, a catalog. Anyone hungry? Now I ordered 2 mystery boxes this year, so I'm just going to sit you guys down. I'm going to pull these boxes out and I'm going to put them down. Alright. I kind of made a mess in the part. I'll worry about that later. So, alright. We're going to do the small box first. See what we get. This one looks small. Now, I have no idea what's in these. Actually, alright. Start. Okay. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna put you guys down here for a minute. Oh, that's nice. So we got a VML t-shirt. That's really nice, actually. Oh, wait, oh, it's a Rapido one. A second one. I've got 2 shirts. The other one is in chocolate. What do we got here? Oh, okay. A GP. Actually, I like these locomotives. M9. Not M9, GP9 RMs. These are, yeah, these locomotives are actually still in service. That was one of the, next we got a Union Pacific boxcar. That's nice. Another one of their, you know, these they had these last year. Those little ornaments, those are pretty cool. Yeah, Go Transit bus, or not the Go Transit. Just sit that there. Oh, there's another ornament. Just hold on a second. I'm going to open this up to show you guys what this is. Okay, it's a silver one. That's cool. I don't have a tree to put that up, but then we got the, oh, that's nice. I like that. Definitely, okay. Another hopper. Is it, no, it's a, and this box, oh, a bulkhead. That's nice too. Alright, that's the first box. Now, I'm going to open up the second box here in just a minute. Alright, now we're going to open up the second box. I had to stop for a little bit because to clean up and make some room and organize everything a little bit. Why I don't buy myself a tripod for this intro? God me. Okay, let's see what we got. More packing peanuts. No, seriously. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's... what is this? Is this... No, huh? It's a... Oh. Oh, it's a... It's an RC... is it a Christmas ornament? I don't know. Huh, that's cool. That's nice, actually. That's really nice. Oh. Got another hat. 2 of those. A second mug. I'll just put that back there. Oh yeah, I know I'm not showing you guys this stuff because there's another chocolate bar. It's really nice. A Procar Cylinder Hopper, a smaller one. That's a nice one too. Put that up there. What are you? There's another one of their cards. Put that up there. Save that the last. Got another boxcar, Southern Pacific. The other one's a United Pacific. Those are nice though, those are the Rapido cars. You are another boxcar. I can't really tell what it is. It doesn't show up very well on the camera. And the last thing in here, okay, it's one of these E8s. Alright, well, that's still nice. It's a Erie. Oh, okay. It's a pretty large locomotive there. Yeah. And I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. Alright, well that was quite interesting. You know, quite impressed. Yeah, very nice. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, be well folks. Okay, so I put the Rapido consoles together with the cars and the M9, which I've been wanting one of these locomotives. The E8 isn't really something I'm too interested. It's a nice model. Anyway, I don't know if this bulkhead will get around the layout, but so. Now around here we see these locomotives, and usually in the summer, so I'm very familiar with that. Oh yeah. I don't know if that bulkhead's gonna work on this layout or not. I'm just going to turn that sound off because it is really... Oh, that's better. Oh, yeah. Anyway, folks, I'm going to leave you with this scene as the train goes around the layout, and hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, you know, and I hope Santa brings you some cool presents this year. And to all the train fans, much thank you guys for checking out the channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, you know, all the bells and whistles, quite literally. And if I don't see you before then, I'll see you in the new year. Anyway, folks, be well.